In this video, you will learn how to detect and remove collinear variables in Neural Designer. Collinearity occurs when one input variable can be explained almost entirely by a combination of the other inputs. This creates redundancy in the data, introduces noise, and may lead to unstable models. Removing collinear variables is an important step to ensure that every input contributes unique information to your model. Let's start with the iris flowers example. We open Neural Designer, and from the menu on the left side of the screen, click on the Examples button. All the available examples are displayed, and we select the iris flowers example. To begin, go to the Dataset section and click Unuse Collinear Variables in the Task Manager. A pop-up window will appear asking you to specify the correlation threshold. Before moving forward, what are we configuring here? We are controlling collinearity, which happens when two or more variables carry almost the same information, making the model unstable. While statistics usually uses VIF, Variance Inflation Factor, to detect this, where a value above 5 or 10 signals a variable should be removed, Neural Designer simplifies it using a correlation threshold. Lower thresholds are stricter, and higher ones allow more overlap. For this example, we will use the default value of 0.95. By clicking OK, the software will automatically find and discard any variables exceeding this limit to keep our model clean and stable. After running the task, Neural Designer summarizes which variables, if any, were removed due to collinearity. For the concrete properties dataset, the software reports there is one linearly correlated variable in the dataset. The name of that variable is petal length, and it has been set to none. This result means that petal length is highly linearly correlated with other input variables and does not provide unique information. Neural Designer automatically excludes it by setting its role to none, so it is not used during model training. This helps reduce redundancy and makes the model more stable. Even when no variables are removed, running this task is still valuable. It confirms that your dataset is statistically healthy and free from redundant predictor. You now know how to detect and remove collinear variables in Neural Designer, how to use the correlation threshold, and why eliminating redundant variables helps build more stable models. In the next video, you will learn how to clean outliers, an essential step for ensuring the quality and reliability of your dataset.